Hello, and thank you for choosing Digibird. This video will introduce the installation and major control operations of Digibird's DB-RC4 Videowall controller. If you have already copied the controller software from the CD that came with the RC4, or have downloaded it from our website and copied it to your desktop, you are ready to begin using the software. Let's begin. Locate the installation file on your desktop and double-click the icon. Select the desired language, English is the default, and click OK. The setup window will open and click Next. Use the Browse button to select your desired install location and click Install. The driver install window will open. Click Install and you'll get the following message. Driver install success. Click OK and close out the driver install window. Check the Run box and click Finish. Your software is now installed, and you are ready to begin using your RC4 control and design software. Let's look at the different settings on the main menu. The device status setting contains the refresh icon, which will allow the user to refresh the application when necessary. The Apply tab is fairly self-explanatory, as it allows the user to apply any made changes. This is the Monitors and EDID Settings tab. When clicking Monitors, you will find a list of the trade names and models of most well-known monitors. The user will select which monitors will be used in his video wall. The monitor listing window can be docked or undocked by using the push pin option. We will return to that in a moment. The template settings are next, where users will be able to manage their templates by creating a new template, opening previously saved templates, closing and saving templates. Next is the Physical Layout Settings tab. This will work with the white canvas area you see directly below this cursor. The canvas area of the physical layout window serves as the virtual area for which video wall monitors will be mounted or placed. The monitors in the physical layout window can be dragged and rotated in the custom designing of the video wall. The Capture Regions Settings tab hosts the input signal of the applied image or video. The input signal's positioning can be cropped, flipped, and zoomed in the Capture Regions window. The remaining sections are the Test, Language, Help, and Exit options. As mentioned previously, the Monitors tab can be docked or undocked by using the push pin option. Look for the small push pin icon in the title bar of the monitor listing window and click it so that the pin is pointing to the left. The window will now automatically hide itself when it's not being used. Let's look now at the physical layout window. Right-clicking anywhere on the white canvas will bring up the mounting wall size bar. You can either click on that bar or double-click the section to the below right to input the size of your physical video wall according to its height and width. Let's move on to the Capture Regions window. You can adjust the resolution of your video or images by double-clicking the area that shows the resolution on the below right. By clicking the arrow, you will see a list of the most commonly used resolutions. If your desired resolution is not listed there, you may select the Custom option. After filling in the values of the resolution timing parameters according to the input source, the custom input resolution can be created. Finally, at the bottom of the software application is the system log window. The system log will track the system events while you use the application and display them here. In this section, we'll show how to add the physical monitors that are being used in your video wall. Click the monitors icon in the main toolbar menu to open the monitor setting window. The monitors window is divided into monitor selection, which contains the manufacturer and model options, and the monitor properties, which contain the following: manufacturer, model, refresh rate, and so on. Click the check boxes at the left of the monitor setting window to add the monitors used in your video wall. Select the manufacturer drop-down list to choose the manufacturer that corresponds to the monitors being used, and do the same with the models drop-down list to choose a specific listed monitor. For the purpose of this demonstration, we've chosen the Acer S221HQL monitor as an example. The preset properties corresponding to the chosen manufacturer and model, in this case the Acer S221HQL, will appear in the fields below. If you are using a monitor that is not listed in the manufacturer database in this window, you can manually add the desired monitors by clicking New at the bottom right of the Monitors window. Manually fill in the required values of the monitor property fields by referring to the manufacturer's datasheet that came with your monitor, and click Save. Once you have identified and input the monitors used in your video wall, add the remaining monitors in the same way, and click OK. Part 4 of this video shows how to make a creative video wall by arranging a customized physical layout. Highlight the monitors and click Centered in the physical layout settings to center the monitors. Click and drag the individual monitors to separate them into the desired arrangement. Notice the activity on the Capture Regions window mirrors the activity in the physical layout area. Right-clicking on a monitor in the physical layout area shows the placement options. Monitor 1 is rotated clockwise 90 degrees, Monitor 2 is rotated clockwise 180 degrees, Monitor 4 is rotated clockwise 270 degrees, and Monitor 3 is left with no rotation. Click Centered to bring the monitors into a centered position. This layout is commonly referred to as a windmill layout. To adjust the size of the monitors, click on the Height-Width section below the physical layout window to enter the size of your physical monitors. You can also adjust the display size by left-clicking the slider in the zoom bar and dragging it to zoom in or out. A precise size proportion can be chosen by clicking the drop-down arrow as shown, and you may manually slide monitors into the desired position by click and drag. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the images 1 pixel at a time. Select Sync to Capture Regions in the Physical Layout settings in the toolbar. You can change the regions that are captured in the physical layout by selecting all monitors, highlighting them, and dragging them into the desired placement. Notice the activity in the physical layout mirrors the activity done in the capture regions. Click Apply in the main toolbar when you're finished with the monitor setup.